All right, guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all things Amazon products, we do reviews on hotels, and we even do reviews on making online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new HDTV antenna. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. So you get the user manual right here, the antenna itself. So you can see you got a way to hang it there. And then this is the part that I do like. It does have a long range and short range for it. It does use the USB there to power it up. And then your traditional one here for your antenna. They also do send you this sticker, so in case you just want to stick it onto the wall or something like that, as well as a way to hang it as well. It supports 360-degree reception, and it should do all the way up to 1084K channel quality. So let's go and actually hook it up to our TV and test it out. All right, so we're going to hook it up. There we go. Take this off. Plug this in as well. And let's go ahead and turn it on. And as you can see, this has already turned on as well. It's already set to long range, so we're going to go ahead and search for some channels. Hit that auto scan, and we'll see how many it finds. This kind of antenna only pulls free local broadcast channels, and the exact channel count depends on how close you are to the towers and what's between you and them. Placement is everything. Start high and near a window and keep it away from big metal stuff such as routers and power strips if you can. If your results are weak, move it literally a few feet and then scan again, and you might see a big difference. All right, and it is done now. So as you can see, I think it found over 70 channels, which is very, very good, especially where we're at. Normally we get maybe 20 to 30. So like about 2x the amount of channels, but let's just go through some of them and see how they look. You see, not bad quality at all. As you can see, it was super simple to set up. You can see quality is good. Like I said, you're able to mount this somewhere, just have it on the side, kind of like how I do. But if you guys are looking for a new TV antenna, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all could get yours.